The practice today is to soften our being, prepare our whole being to flow and receive and invite love to flow through. The whole process can be done gently. And so we begin with turning our gaze inward. Slowly allowing our awareness to come down from our forehead, from our thoughts. Bring it down to our face. Bring it down to our throat. If it helps, we gently place a hand there. So we bring our awareness down. And we bring it down to the chest. And then intuitively we connect to our own inner center. Allow ourselves to go deeper within the cave of the heart, the most precious part of ourselves. And like a flower that opens to the sun, we allow ourselves to open up to various forms of love. And through all the various forms of love that we know, we experience, etc., we go deeper and deeper into the true vibration of love. Anytime thoughts come, memories come, we simply step back and go back to our own inner center. We go past the known forms to the pure vibration. We place a gentle flower in front of that vibration of love. Any flower that we resonate with. And allow ourselves to open up to the pure vibration, the highest vibration of love. It could be a color, it could be a felt experience or vibration. It could be an image that appears. But we wait and we go into it and allow that vibration to flow through the body. We don't expect it in any form. We go beneath to the purer and the higher vibration of love. As the flower turns to the sun, we turn our gaze upward, connecting to the divine frequency, the universal frequency above, and only the pure frequency. And allow a drop of the divine love enter our hearts. That vibration to flow through the body. And for just this moment, we simply allow only the love to exist, washing over everything else that no longer needs to be in the body. Allowing the love to enter the thoughts, connecting them to this tiny drop of divine love and presence. Allowing it to enter our emotional layer, making space for the pure love be in our being. And whatever and however it comes today, we receive. But hold a deep aspiration to keep opening up to this quality of its highest frequency, allowing grace that love touches us, that love flows through us. Love consumes our being, consumes our aspiration, consumes our courage. That our being absorbs this love, this tiny drop of golden love, the softness of love, the courage of love, the sweetness of love, the fire of love, the peace of love. And when we are ready, take any part of our life currently, or part of our life today or tomorrow, anything that intuitively comes to you in your awareness, putting it in front of us. And allow this vibration of love to touch that context. Touch the you in that context. Just hold a drop of this vibration of love in any form to soften, to touch the context. Allow it to enter you in that context. Allow it to enter everyone else in the context. For the work, allow it to simply enter the environment of the context. We do this holding love with no outcome or expectation. And whenever you're ready, gently wrap up and offer in the context to the divine within or above, letting it go. And gently bring back your awareness back into your body, back into your breath, into your own inner center, connecting back to the love within, connecting it to its source, the divine source, the one source. Going down to it in gratitude and love. And gently, whenever you're ready, you conclude the practice. Take your time and open your eyes. Deep gratitude.